In an incident at Jengkha on 29 June around 8 o'clock, 7 permanent stores were gutted by fire. It was informed that as much as a commodities worth rupees 1 crore was estimated to be lost. The locals were frightened and were helpless as the fire broke. Locals said if there was any fire station nearby, then the fire brigades could have reached the spot on time and take control over the fire, and such situation could have been avoided.
Amala sokarana post social care hormu ke 7 April lo dukan da pun ke society ta hai ne ek ta na na jo di ta ke lo sa hormu ke hum dukan bana 7 April lo konsi me big no me mara segi lo.
The owners of the stores were identified as Babu Tiso, Om Narayan Chauhan, Sombu Chetri, Ramanand Chauhan, Laxman Chauhan, Ramesh Chauhan, and Sanjay Sahani. Joyram Timung, president of Jengkha Bazaar Committee, while speaking to us, informed that such incident occurs frequently around Jengkha, but they are helpless as there is no any fire stations near to that area. Therefore, he appeals the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council as well as the government of Assam to establish fire station between Dongkamukam and Keroni.
That Jengkha Arat penisi sarkar long si ka chini ngri jang tungala mang kedo the Jengkha long abatai son Jengkha bazaar mi gichu ikona dolo da sita ipo batai tin sta me tum tak fire brigade awar saibang apora tinglong di ke fire brigade bang chit hamren ban si bangi longka ban si bangi hojai ban si bangi kasi dak heruni pen dongka da middle dak Jengkha long si isi fire brigade service no isi sarkar tum nang bi bulote isi akemis non sona kisung bang ko hede
Mohan Teron's report from Keroni, Karbi Anglong Live.